Greetings, video nerds. Tech Nerd 1.0 here. What is in the box?
What's in the box?
Box opening here for you today. And since you know what time of year it is, you may know what this is anyways. But if you can read, you probably know what it is anyhow because you clicked on this. Here we are. It is iPhone season. And this is what we have. This is the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So this is it. We're going to give you just a quick comparison to the phone I am using now, which is the 12. So I had quite the, this is quite the upgrade for me. I'm just going from a normal 12 up to the 14 Pro Max. So here we go. Let's do some peelies here. I'll let you people enjoy this with me. And look at that. And yes, I did get it in deep purple. If Mace Windu can have a purple lightsaber, I figure I can have a purple iPhone. So there we go. Here we go with the peelies. So yeah, quite, I mean, really, to be quite honest, it looks a lot bigger. I think it's 6 versus 6.7 for the size. Wouldn't exactly call this a phablet, but it is bigger. But I do like this size. I had a large phone like this before, and I did like it. As far as what else is in the box, this is Apple, so we get a cord. That's it. You get jack, pretty much. Well, you don't get a jack. Apple likes for you to spend some more money. You do get a really nice sticker. That's about it. All right, so here we are. This is the 14 Pro Max. And I have to say, it is pretty darn nice. I'm going to bring that color in real close. And you can see, now there's not, the lighting in here is, yeah, it's okay. Typical fall day right now, but it almost looks like a dark gray, maybe even in some places it looks black. To a colorblind person like myself, this could be pretty darn challenging, I would have to say. For me, again, being colorblind, if I looked at that phone in the dark, I would not be able to tell. I would probably think this is gray or even a light black. In the light, I can see the color, but other than that, but it is nice, I have to say. And the very, very subtle coloring on the sides, the very subtle metallic coloring, just a tinge of that purple color. Very nice, though, I have to say. There's a very simpleness to them, so that's kind of what it's like. We can go ahead and turn it on. I'm going to go ahead, actually, and I'm going to get this all signed in first, and then we can kind of compare them. But let's just take a quick look at the backs here. Let me take this case off real quick so you can kind of see. Now, to be honest, I usually get the product red color. Honest, that's why I got the regular iPhone the last time, because in the Pro models, they don't have product red. They have these metallic-like colors, which I do like. I wish they would do a red one. I really do. They should have one every year, because as you know, product red gives money to, I believe it's breast cancer research. So really, I don't see anything wrong with just adding a standardized product red color to the Pro lineup. So Apple, if you're listening, which I know you're not, add that, okay? So, all right, so I'm going to get signed in here. We're going to get this set up. It might take me a while, and we'll come back and we'll do a few comparisons. All right, stay tuned.